A mugshot is a photographic portrait taken by law enforcement authorities, typically shortly after a person's arrest. Mugshots are used as official records to document the physical appearance of individuals who have been arrested and processed through the criminal justice system. These photographs serve a variety of purposes, including identification, record keeping, and as a part of the legal documentation related to an individual's arrest and criminal proceedings. Mugshots are typically taken in a standardized format that captures the person's face in a straightforward manner, often in front of a plain background, such as a height chart or a solid-colored wall. The person is often required to face the camera directly, with their face visible and devoid of any obstructive accessories like hats or glasses. Side and profile views may also be taken to provide comprehensive documentation of the individual's facial features. The primary purpose of a mugshot is to establish a visual record of the person's appearance at the time of their arrest. This record can be used for various legal and administrative purposes, including identifying suspects, documenting their physical condition at the time of arrest, and keeping a historical record of arrests and bookings. Mugshots are part of the official documentation of an individual's criminal history, and they may be included in law enforcement databases, court records, and other legal documents. Mugshots are not intended to be publicly embarrassing or demeaning, but their public availability has led to their use in media, both for legitimate news reporting and sometimes for sensationalistic purposes. Mugshot images have found their way onto websites and publications that compile and publish arrest records, sometimes raising ethical and privacy concerns. Many argue that these public displays of individuals' arrests can stigmatize them, even if they are later found innocent or have their charges dropped. In recent years, discussions around the ethics of using mugshots for profit and the impact on individuals' reputations have led to calls for greater regulation and transparency in their dissemination. Some jurisdictions have implemented measures to limit the indiscriminate sharing of mugshots on websites, particularly when individuals have not been convicted of a crime. In conclusion, a mugshot is a standardized photographic portrait taken by law enforcement authorities upon an individual's arrest. It serves as an official record of the person's appearance at the time of arrest and is used for identification, record keeping, and legal documentation purposes. While mugshots are essential tools for law enforcement, their public availability and potential for misuse have led to discussions about their ethical implications and the need for greater privacy protections.